do is adore you all the time. I like to. I like to. I like to love you every day. I like to love you. I like to love you.
What's up there, guys? It's David here, and I just got finished cutting the grass. I should probably throw out the mower. I'm waiting for George to come over because we're probably gonna change the front rotors on his Nissan and the pads. He got ceramic pads, so yeah, like they're very like shot and grooved, and like if you were to feel it yourself, like you can't, but just take my word for it. When you feel them, you can feel like the outer edge, like groove. It's like pretty deep, too deep for a rotor. And you could feel all the little lines. You can see them, but you can also like feel them. So you know that's not good. It's supposed to be like smooth. Welcome, George.
What's up?
Now, yeah, this is kind of weird. You know, we got two vehicles facing this way. This one's facing that way. We did that so we can get kind of enough light to show you guys working on the rotor since it is pitch black out here. But yeah, I just have one concern, and that's if the jack will fit under this car, which, seeing it now, it might. There's a new rotor and an empty box. Nailed it. To find out what size it is. I was about to elbow my camera.
Dude, look, she's like...
Punch her. Nobody heard the no animal abuse. Who says animal? It's just a person. Oh wait.
Yes, sir. You haven't even buttoned up the jack.
I've never done this before. I mean, I've taken off wheels before, but I did a stupid mistake of not putting the jack under the car.
I was already getting ready to pull off the wheel. I was like, yes, sir.
Just drive like that, man. Don't use the adjustable wrench to actually do it, but just to get a measurement. Exactly why I got these gloves, the impact ones.
Why?
For like jobs like this, where they might be bad. Huh? Tap it, dude. Oh, your palm.
Yeah, that hurt.
Wait, stop. Throw away. I thought I had it right.
That was easy.
Wow. Wow. That's twice.
And then I keep following you, like...
You learn from people's mistakes, I guess.
Really good.
Oh, see, that's what you're like. Now, there should be probably 2 more bolts back here.
Yeah, but give me... I don't know what this one is.
How much bigger does it feel?
It...
Coyotes. It's so hot in here. It's like there's an engine right next to my head. You got it. My finger. Where's the bolts?
Do we need to paint these? I don't think red would look good.
Let's paint them purple. Oh yeah. I don't even want to lift my arm up.
Why?
Lazy.
Wipe and wipe quick, cause you
Then your fingers are blacker than your tires.
Why don't you get this right? Very expensive.
Brake select. Oh gosh. The white balance. The ceramic best brake disc in the world. Not sponsored. And
Not sponsored by Breast Brake Select. We are sponsored by
not sponsored by Breast.
We're sponsored by Brembo and Brembo Bakes at
Bremu. Bremu.
Nah, by Fujita. Nah, JK.
Oh, that reminds me. I need my brake piston compression tool. Now you're just in the way, and you might kick over the camera.
Okay, dude, it's $1,000 camera. It doesn't break.
I wish that was the case. Looks like a glue stick out. This,
You have to put it in.
yeah, just think about that. Oh yeah, fits on in there.
Put it like that so it could be deep dish.
Yes, sir. And they can't even see it. How George? Let's just put it like that, right?
Yeah, so
backwards.
it could be deep dish.
Put it on there, dude. I'm pretty sure it's gonna hit the rotor.
Yeah, never mind.
Yeah. You know, right before we finish up here, roll it over.
Dude, you need to be like...
Yeah, I know. There you go.
Yeah, no.
Piano. Okay. Alright, now we're done with putting the brake rotor and the new brake pads. It looks astounding compared to the rusty oldness that it was. It's not focusing. It's probably because I turned off autofocus. But it should feel pretty nice now. We're going to do the other side without filming it so we can do it a lot faster.
Yes, adore you all of the time.
wild wing, where you get wings. It's all good. What does that smell? It smells like cancer. That I guess. And now to disappear. Yeah, that smells good.